In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively join and participate in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started with Teams, these simple steps will ensure you're ready to communicate clearly and effectively during your next virtual meeting. First, let's open your web browser and head over to teams.microsoft.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you're not automatically directed to the home page, make sure you're on the correct site by checking for any prompts to enter your login information. Successfully signing in will take you to your Teams dashboard, where you'll notice several navigation options on the left side. Pay particular attention to the Calendar tab. This is where you'll find all your scheduled meetings, showing times, dates, and with whom you'll be meeting. Clicking the Calendar tab will provide a clear view of your meeting agenda, ensuring you never miss an important appointment. When it's time for your meeting, you'll see an option to join directly from the calendar view. Simply click on the meeting entry and select the Join option. This action will take you into the virtual meeting space, preparing you to start engaging with others. During the meeting, keeping your audio settings in check is crucial for effective communication. To manage your microphone, locate the toolbar at the top of your screen. Among the icons, you'll find a small yet vital microphone symbol. This is where you can control whether you're muted or unmuted. Take a look at the microphone icon. If it has a line crossing through it, this means your microphone is currently muted, which is standard during the initial stages of joining a meeting. To unmute yourself, a simple click on this icon will suffice. When you click, the line should disappear, indicating that your colleagues or friends can now hear you clearly. Muting and unmuting is especially important in virtual meetings to maintain a professional atmosphere, minimizing disruptions. If you find yourself needing to speak often, keeping an eye on the toolbar can prevent potential communication hiccups. Remember, effective audio management is key to ensuring your voice is heard without background noise interfering with the meeting flow. In some cases, if you're experiencing issues unmuting, check your device's audio settings to ensure the microphone is connected and not being blocked by other applications. By staying proactive, you can troubleshoot any issues swiftly to maintain a seamless meeting experience. That's it for today. You've now learned how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting and manage your microphone settings effectively. With these simple steps, you'll be on your way to hosting and participating in meetings with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.